Hi guys, Cykaniki here. Welcome back to this channel. So today we're going to have a makeup transformation again. And by the way guys, if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for being here. If you're new, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. I'm trying to make a makeup that will make my mood happy. So maybe we're going to work on reds, glitters, etc. So without further ado, let's hop into the video. So first things first, we're going to use this one as our base. So it's a GWNC Day and Night Intensive Cream. So this cream, I looked it up on their website. Sinasabi dito na maganda daw to. It's good if you're going to use it as a base on your makeup. So we're going to try it today. And so far, I used it on my nighttime routine. And it's almost 2 nights straight that I used this one. So today, first time that we're going to use it as our makeup base, as it can work as a primer as well, as it claims on their website. So we're going to place a little amount. And this product is so creamy, guys, I tell you. And what's the good thing that I love this one is that the consistency of this product is a little bit sticky, but then if you're going to put it on your face, it's super nice. It absorbs on your skin very well. To set it muna, we're going to wait for 1 minute or 2. So we're going to use this. Bigay din to ng auntie ko. It's a brand from Germany, Europe, I guess. So we are going to use this Manhattan 3-in-1 Easy Match Makeup with SPF 20 Nude Finish. Ganda. Ito siya, guys. So, lagay natin siya sa ating dito, and dito, and dito muna. Hindi siya nagda-dry agad. Maganda to if try natin gamitin yung bare hands natin. Super nice ng finish niya, guys. Look at the difference. Glowing. Natural lang talaga yung effect. Ito try natin dito, I will try my best not to use sponge, pero matatagalan tayo if we're going to use our hands. Kasi gusto kong parang pinapat-pat yung effect kasi maganda. Guys, pang daily, no? Kahit ipat mo pa or i-drag mo pa yung product, yung finish niya, pa rin, maganda. Maybe siguro din sa ating base na yung makeup primer. Parang cream. Ang dami pang products na natira sa kamay ko, guys. Wala nang sponge. Oh, ganon. Ito yung foundation. Gustong-gusto ko siya kasi natural looking. Ito yung foundation first coat na hindi ina-applyan ng sponge. We're going to try another coat. Gagamit tayo ng sponge. Para na yata itong make review, no? Super lightweight din ng foundation na to. So sorry guys, I wasn't able to film pala. I used the this one, the Maybelline concealer on my under eye. And for our contour, I will be using this LA Girl Pro Concealer. We're going to work it first or blend it first because there's a tendency that LA Girl usually dries up so quick. So we need to blend and work as fast as we can. We're going to contour as well this part here because you know, regarding my forehead, it's a bit big, but I'm proud of it. I'm proud of it. Don't get me wrong. I'm super proud of my forehead. So we're just going to place a little bit contour here as well. I'm so sorry, my kids are a little bit noisy, but as you all know, how are you coping up with quarantine these days? I'd like to hear it from you. Please comment down below. Please be safe wherever you are. Blend, blend, blend. So I will be setting my face with this Laura Mercier, just a little bit on the highlighted areas. And for the areas that we did some contour, I will be setting it with this Hola light by Benefit. This contour powder is too light for me, but it gives my skin that subtle contour. So I love it. And as well as my nose. I super love this Careline Best Brow Cosmetics, and in the shade of taupe. Oh, anong to set our brows with this Nichido brow mascara. So I will be using the same foundation on my brow bone, just a little bit. For our eye makeup, I'm going to use this Morphe palette. In this shade as my transition color, I'm going to mix this two. Next, we will be using this one, a little bit dark. The area, or the crease area, I will be using this color. I wish I could have a smaller brush right now, but I don't know where it is, and this is the only brush, angle brush, that I can reach. So we're going to work on this one. Okay. And here. Okay. And for our eyelid, be using this BYS. I would love to use this pigment first from MAC. Maybe it will be nicer in this area. OMG. It really makes my eyes pop. So we're going to have this BYS glitter primer packed. Use my fingers. That's nice. And I want to place these glitters all over my eyelid. Okay guys, so I went ahead and used the same color on what I did on my upper eyes, and I'll just place a black gel liner on my waterline to intensify the look, parang bruha lang ang peg. So, though parang sparkly shimmer yung peg, naging super dark tuloy. But I was inspired to place a bit of glitters below. Yeah. Okay, and for our blush, I will be using again this Tarte blush. I just kind of love it when my face is a little bit more on the snatch part. And I will be using this one. Is now my favorite highlighter, the Wet n Wild. This is a gift from my best friend. Super ganda nito, guys. And I will be using a fun brush for this, but Hola. OM. And we're going to place a bit here. Like here. Spirit, come, light a fire and move in our hearts and make us. And I will be putting on some highlighter as well on the brow bone. For our lips, gagamitin natin itong Jeju, Everbilena pala, and this Vice Cosmetics in the shade of Star. So, magla-line. Yan. Ang ganda talaga ng lipstick ni Mami Vice. Gusto ko na to. Okay na to. Super okay na to. Lagyan ko lang ng konting concealer and lalagay lang tayo ng ating face mist. Konti lang. Yan. And I'll be back for the finished lip. Carried away with this look, guys, and so far I'm so loving it. So this is the finished look. I hope you like this one, and I hope that you're going to like, share, and subscribe and be a part of this happy family. Thank you so much for watching. See you soon on my next video. Bye bye. Saranghe.